This is Chippy from the PC Portal, JKK Mobile at the Intel stand at CeBit. We've got the Lluon Mobbit device here, which is working. I don't know how long it's going to work because the batteries are running out, but let's just quickly show you that it's got that completely flat screen there, but it's actually touch as well. So they've actually managed to integrate touch on a totally flat front screen, which is quite unique.
So it must be capacitive touch.
So this is, I don't think it is capacitive actually. It's got a very thin film layer on it if you look at it.
Oh yeah, it is resistive, yeah.
So it's actually got a capacitive mouse. That is definitely capacitive, so that's quite interesting. And obviously...
So it's just a button there, nothing moving.
Yeah, mouse button's moving. Mouse is moving.
Yeah, but the button is...
Yeah, okay.
That's cool.
So I think this is, from what I remember, 1.3 gigahertz is an option on this one. And it's quite nice. Let's quickly go around the device. There's a docking port at the bottom, fan and speaker outputs and DC input. Then on this side you've got a USB port, probably a USB slave, and there's, this might be an external docking port connector, USB slave, USB host. Going on the top of the device, that looks like camera release, maybe a blanking port for a DVB antenna, power on and lock, lanyard point there, and that's pretty much it. On the back, the whole of this is battery, so this could be quite a big battery. It doesn't feel that heavy, but it's a lithium polymer battery. It's going to be at least 15 watt hours. Camera on the back as well, and that's probably the battery release button there. So on the fascia, as I said, you've got this capacitive mouse button. Speakers on the front, so they are not speakers there, they are fan outputs. Speakers are there, and then you've got mouse control. I guess it's left and right, difficult to... So it might not even be mouse control here. Difficult to tell. Yeah, okay, but these... Yes, it is. Yeah, so that's right, that's left. These mouse buttons don't feel that good, but of course this is a sample, a prototype device, and the buttons may be slightly different in the end as a stylus there. So actually very light. I think that's around 400 grams, maybe 350 grams. Looking really good. If we compare it with some of the other devices we've got here, so you've got the Viliv S7 here, so this is obviously a lot smaller. We've got the U2010 here, which is obviously bigger with the keyboard as well. So actually I should have Nokia N810 here as well.
I go.
So there's the Nokia N810, so obviously a lot bigger than that. So it's pretty much the same as a compound mid.
No, it's not, like 50 millimeters wider.
Yeah, but the thickness is the same.
Yeah.
It's almost the same size as the compound mid. Let's do a pocket test.
Yeah? Oh, look at that.
How about that?
Yeah, I have seen some better pictures from Sony, but yeah.
Yeah, Viliv have the best pocket images with the girls. The pop group from Korea, yeah, in the advertising. Yeah.
Yeah, Viliv is best.
So 3 wireless settings tell me it's probably got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 3G in this. So that's interesting. And this is a Korean window, so I don't know what I'm doing here.
Can translate that to us.
Yeah. Okay. So let me stop talking and just maybe see if I can get up to Device Manager. So I'm in the properties now. This one's running a 1.3 gigahertz Atom with 1 gigabyte memory on it. It feels like it's like that as well. So I wish I could get rid of this on-screen menu thing, but let's see if I can just... no, I can't get rid of that, sorry. Device Manager, where are you? Difficult.
Yeah.
Recognize the layout.
Yeah.
So SD controller is probably for SD Wi-Fi or maybe SD...
SDA. Is SD host... Okay.
So there's a Samsung hard drive in there. There's a GMA 500. Touch. What else have we got down here? Yeah, okay. was just
Pretty
looking,
basics.
just seeing if I can find the Wi-Fi on it. This is quite difficult to get used to, by the way, this, especially now that I've got a little bit warmer fingers. It's quite sticky. So I'm looking for the 3G. Where will you be? Yeah, I can't find it. Anyway, looking really good. Very stylish anyway, and this flat touchscreen is very unique. So that's a Lluon Mobbit, and this is Chip B from UPC Portal at CeBit 2009 at the Intel booth.